An evacuation order in your area has been issued. Please pay attention to the following information, as it is relevant to your survival. At 1932, IROS's Sham ion nuclear reactor number 1 entered a code orange emergency. The stability of the reactor is dropping. Measures are being taken to secure the reactor, however, in anticipation for potential of Warren syndrome event, evacuation orders are taking place. If the temperature surpasses the Warren's limit, the scuttle procedure will be initiated. In this situation, you must move 100 kilometers away from the site of the reactor in order to avoid the shockwaves from the obliteration of the site. The chances of a scuttle are low. As a preemptive measure, and to avoid seismic waves as a result of instability, evacuate at least 50 kilometers away from the site of the reactor. Advised destinations: Southampton, Primary, Falmouth, Exeter. The public is reminded to verify information before using it. False information is present, and some sources are showing signs of having an intent to misinform. Your safety is dependent on your cooperation. If you cannot evacuate yourself, you must call for emergency services immediately. We, at the International Research Agency of Sciences and Security, are doing everything possible to secure the situation.